This is Karen Ranzi, vegan health coach and director of the Vegan Coaching Certification course at Feel Fabulous with Food. Welcome into my kitchen. Today I am preparing a fall raw vegan smoothie. I love being raw vegan and all the variety that it brings. And today I am preparing a smoothie with the fall fruits of apple. I have a Granny Smith apple here. I have a nice ripe Bosc pear, and I also have blackberries, super nutritious berries. And in addition, I am adding dandelion. Dandelion is one of my favorite greens because it's loaded with vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin K, loads of important vitamin K for your bones. And dandelion is excellent for your liver health. So I like to use dandelion at least a couple times a week. Even though it's bitter, the apple and the pear cut the bitterness of the dandelion, and that's what makes it so delicious. So here we go. I'm going to cut the dandelion into relatively small pieces. I'm going to do it by holding the dandelion in my hand and going with my Japanese caddy knife, which I love, and gradually going from one end to the other, making sure to move my fingers so that I don't get cut. Then I'm just going to take these dandelion pieces, add them to my chopped apple, chopped pear, and chopped blackberries. So if you're looking to heal your liver, this is the way to go. And last, I am going to add a cup or more of purified water. I blended my dandelion smoothie for about 30 seconds, way beyond that, and it starts to oxidize. So you want to keep it at lowest timing you can to make a nice smoothie, a nice smooth smoothie. I'm going to pour it, and it is perfect. It may look to some of you who have an aversion to green like it might not taste good, but this is delicious. Got my stainless steel straw. You can also use a glass straw because you don't want to use plastic. And enjoy your smoothie. If you are looking for a health coach in the vegan niche who focuses on hormonal and gut health, or if you are looking to become a highly qualified coach in the vegan niche without going back to school, then you'll want to check feelfabulouswithfood.com. Go to the top bar that says work with me, see all of my testimonials under health coaching, or become a vegan coach, and contact me there. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.